friends, just wanted to come to you and share some of this super cute Duncan with you. I can't keep him all to myself. He is a longcoat chihuahua. He is going to be 4 weeks old tomorrow and just a complete doll. So sweet, so laid back, and look, already using the pee pad. Not even 4 weeks old. He's super chill and laid back. As long as you're rubbing his belly, he is a happy guy. You getting all the pets? You getting all the pets? So sweet, super thick coat. He is an only child though. There are no siblings in this litter, but we have a litter that's just less than a week younger, and he gets to play with them. Hey, Dunky. Hey, Dunky. What's him doing? Where are you going? Hey, little man. Hey, little man. Oh, you want to sing? Hey. Hey, little one. You see the kids playing outside? You see the kids playing outside? This is sweet, sweet baby. Anyways, that's all. We'll be doing videos with the younger litter coming up here in about a week. Just enjoying that we can share all this super cuteness with everybody, because how can you not love these little faces? All right, till next time, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below so you never miss out on our newest and cutest Chihuahua puppies.